Well, let's see. Well, that sun out your eyes. We got me, my boy Levi out here this morning. He's gone up to go get our radios. I left them at the truck. The dog's just jumped a swamp rabbit right here. He's headed down into the creek line or ditch line right there. There's a runoff there. So we're gonna see what we can do. So I like Maggie's gonna take him back around that there. Listen to Black Dog get it. Get it, Black Dog, get it. Puppy down here. Black Dog getting it now. Oh, swamp rabbit, boy, they get in these old purple briars and they just slip and slip and slip. He's up in there, Levi. He's up in there. I'm coming to you. Stay right there. Give me the one without the string on it. You take the other one. It should be on the right channel.
Frequency mode.
Twist it and turn it on. Oh, swamp rabbit. Going back the other way. I may come out right here. Get him, Black Dog. Sarah says he went this way. She ain't on a bump rabbit. Come on down, Levi. Right here, he crossed. Maggie's got him right there. Hot-two! Two rabbits dead. Working on number 3. Black Dog getting it in there. Taking him to the gun. Hold on to him tight. Woo! Dead rabbit. Woo! Woo! Hold him up. Hold him up and smile. All right. dead rabbit. Good job.